Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this little playpen, and it came in this little bag here. You can see, look how small this little bag is, and everything, this whole thing came in there. And basically you put it up, and then you put these little poles in there. They connect together like this, so you have two, and then it slides into each of these little sections here, and then it velcros up at the top. So that's kind of how it holds it open. It also came with a little dish here, so it's a little flat dish, but then you can push it out there, so it's nice to take on hikes or things like that. So if she needs to drink or eat along the way, you're golden. Came with some stakes as well, so if you go to the park and you want to stake it down and bring her to the park and have her just hang out with you, this little band here was what strapped around it when it was new. So this is what it looks like here, and it's super cool, and it's got a bottom to it as well, and it zips up on the top. I can't reach the back here, but you can see the top will zip closed if you need it to be closed. My little doggy here is teeny tiny and has no chance of getting out of it. So if I put her in there, I mean, she can get out now because the door's open, but it's got a door on this side that velcros to roll down and then zips up, and it's got one on the other side as well too. So we got two entrances there, and she is all set, and she just likes it here and likes it playing with the toys, and she'll go in there when I'm not here. If I go out to go do some stuff, or if I'm sitting there on my computer, she can sit here and play and have her own little house that's just hers. So how cool is that? So super cool. I like this one. Thumbs up.